up, guys? So I got a shotgun in Animal Company. We're gonna troll. Okay. Stop chasing me, little bro. I'm gonna go with the angle. Okane kashigu. Atashi wants. Oh!
I need it.
Look at that thing. Did you guys see a random backpack on the floor around here?
It's not my backpack.
Guys, it may or may not have 4 gold bars in it.
Who's that?
Alright, come on.
Well, I can't see.
Alright, let's go.
Can I borrow one of your guys' flashlights?
No,
I
turn
need...
off your flashlight. Turn off your flashlight.
I don't have a flashlight.
Bro, stop playing me, little boy.
I don't have another flashlight.
But just stop it, bro. Stop using your flashlight.
No, the anglerfish isn't here. He went.
I
over
swear,
there.
if you say or else what?
What do you mean or else?
Or else what? If you don't put that flashlight away, I swear to God, what's
Why?
going on?
Brian?
Dude, the
backpack
anglerfish isn't here.
Yeah.
Yo, the anglerfish is in the money machine. Bro, kid. I didn't. Roar.
Womp womp. Never use
Yeah,
the flashlight.
yeah,
little
steal
boy.
him. Steal him.
Don't mess with the seal. Don't mess with the seal. Then you die. Easy. It's simple.
Back up.
Weep. Oh, stop dying, everyone! Monkey! Oh, there's an iPad. Who wants an iPad? I'm selling it. I'm selling. Who wants the iPad?
Let me buy a flashlight. Flashlight.
Okay,
What is it supposed to do? I'm gonna sell it. No. It tracks the monsters. Those are the monsters. There's literally no point.
Why is this kid trying to take my thing?
Right? No.
Why is this kid trying to take it? Psyche!
Okay. But like, I don't really need to track it.
What's good, guys? Otashi wasta.
Bro. Okay, give me that flashlight then.
Guys, stop arguing! Stop arguing!
Go over there.
Hey, don't be mean!
Oh my god.
Bro, why is Daniel calling me, bro?